It is about 2:30 in the morning, and I'm trying to get out the snow. This is a 2024 Jeep Cherokee 4xe. They got the sport mode, which is the snow mode, and it supposed to get you out of the snow, but I try to run through the snow. We got most of it down. It's the best time to get it when the snow is kind of soft. If you wait till the next day, the snow gonna be too hard. So I know if you got a 4x4 or 4-wheel drive. I got most of it dug out. It was a big pile of snow here. The rest of it, I can ride right through it. Shouldn't be no problem. I'm gonna put it in, let's see what happened. I'm gonna put it in snow mode here. I'm gonna reverse it. Let's see if I can get up out of here now. See what happens. It's moving pretty good. Let's see if I can get out of here. Got out pretty good. There you go. And that's how you get a snowmobile. Cherokees run pretty good in the snow. They're pretty sturdy. Pretty much to show you how it looks in the snow. It's all good. Took it for a little ride, came right back and parked it like it wasn't even snowing. Y'all see it? So these Jeeps work pretty good. It's a 2024 Jeep Cherokee 4xe. They work pretty good in the snow. I drove right through this stuff, put it in the snow mode. These tires is real good. Got the grips on here too. I actually like these tires.